Hello everyone, welcome. Today I want to tell you something about the world's quickest and most powerful muscle car. So let's start. So there are some points I want to tell you something about it. So first point is it has 807 horsepower Dodge Challenger SRT Super stock, the world's quickest and most powerful car. Second, the 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT Super is powered by the same supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI high-output V8 that powers the SRT Hellcat Redeye, but features a revised powertrain calibration that increased power output to 807 horsepower. Point why Challenger SRT Superstock is the world's quickest and most powerful muscle car. First, 0 to 60 mph acceleration of 3.25 seconds. Second, quarter miles equals time of 10.5 seconds at 131 mph. Third, 168 mph top speed, so tire limited. And then the fourth point is wide body comes standard on the Challenger SRT Superstock, making room for the bigger wheels and standard drag radicals and adding 3.5 inches of overall width to the vehicle. Next, Challenger SRT Superstock is equipped with the standard lightweight 18-inch by 11-inch wheel in a low gloss granite finish, riding on sticky 315 by 40 R18 Vito NTO5R drag radials and all 4 corners. 6. Challenger SRT Superstock features lightweight all aluminum Brembo 4-piston brake clippers with 14.2-inch vented rotors. Have a look at it. So today we are comparing BMW M8 and BMW i8. These are my customization and design. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you.